It ain't what you say, it's the way what you say it. You can have exactly the same script, but deliver them in two completely different ways. That's why good actors get paid so much and there's so many unemployed actors. Let me give you an example. Hi, Stephen Long, calling from the Influence Academy. Sorry to catch you on the hop. I know you weren't expecting to call in. Yes, this is a cold call. All I want to do is take 60 seconds, explain why I'm calling, what we might be able to do for you. If it's interesting, we can talk further, and if not, I'll be out of your hair. How does that sound? As opposed to, hi, it's Stephen Long, I'm calling from the Influence Academy. Sorry to catch you on the hop. I know you weren't expecting the call, and yeah, this is a cold call. What I'd like to do is take 60 seconds just to explain why I'm calling and what we can do. And at the end of that time, if it's interesting, we could talk further. And if not, I'll be out of your hair. How's that sound? I'm hoping that you could hear and see a little bit of a difference in the way they were delivered, though the words were probably 90-95% the same. It ain't what you say, it's the way what you say it. That's what gets results.